Welcome to CAD and Sorcery. This video is about transferring your model from SOLIDWORKS to SOLIDWORKS Visualize Fast by utilizing the SOLIDWORKS Visualize Add-in. Before we begin, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more SOLIDWORKS content. The SOLIDWORKS Visualize Add-in, accessible in the desktop versions of SOLIDWORKS Standard, Professional and Premium, enables the direct export of SOLIDWORKS features to the desktop versions of SOLIDWORKS Visualize Standard and Professional. This add-in allows us to export various SOLIDWORKS features including geometry, appearances, HDR lighting, decals, and for SOLIDWORKS Professional users, motion studies. Though animation export is limited to rigid body animations, camera animations, and appearance animations. This add-in saves valuable time, especially when leveraging existing motion studies which can be more time-consuming to create within the Visualize environment. To access the add-in, navigate to the gear icon at the top and select the Add-ins option. Check the SOLIDWORKS Visualize checkbox, and a new tab named SOLIDWORKS Visualize will appear on the Command Manager. The add-in comprises of 4 options which I'll detail shortly. Let's begin with Export Simple. As the name suggests, this option simplifies the process by saving a copy of your active model and loading it into SOLIDWORKS Visualize using the Appearance Mode part grouping. This can be found in the Models tab. The Export Advanced option saves a copy of your active model and loads it into SOLIDWORKS Visualize with the Automatic Mode part grouping and monitor file enabled. It also facilitates the upload of motion studies for Visualize Professional users. I'll demonstrate using an exploded view motion study created in a previous video. Once imported, observe the differences in part grouping in the Models tab of SOLIDWORKS Visualize. Additionally, the motion study animation and camera animation are seamlessly transferred. Also, one thing I would like to highlight is the Update option. I mentioned the Monitor File option, which is enabled during the Export Advanced. This enables a connection between SOLIDWORKS model and the Visualize project. The Update tool becomes available after clicking Export Advanced for the first time. Subsequent changes can be exported by hitting the Update button, triggering an update in Visualize. And lastly, the Save Advanced option stores a copy of the model and motion studies at a location you specify, allowing for manual import into SOLIDWORKS Visualize later. And there you have it, a guide on how to export your SOLIDWORKS models to SOLIDWORKS Visualize. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more SOLIDWORKS content. Until the next video, farewell!